Hi, welcome back to A.I.A. Uncut. Over the last few days, global markets hit a wall. We saw a coordinated sell-off that wiped out trillions in value across stocks, metals, and crypto. When everything moves lower together, it's not about one asset failing, it's a macro reset. Well over $4 trillion has vanished in just a few sessions. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ saw aggressive, broad-based declines. Gold slipped from $5,100 to under $5,000, while silver took a harder 7% hit. Even Bitcoin pulled back to the $77,000 range. This isn't localized panic. It's liquidity being pulled out of the system. Why now? Markets were positioned for easy mode. Lower rates and a weaker dollar. That shifted as political and monetary signals under the Trump administration moved the goalposts. Expectations for rate cuts were pushed out, yields climbed, and leverage broke. This wasn't fear selling, it was a massive forced unwind of overcrowded positions. Gold and silver are often called safe havens, but they aren't immune to liquidity events. Silver specifically is sensitive to both industrial demand and margin pressure, which is why it dropped faster. Compare that to Bitcoin. While it dipped, its structural strength remains. Unlike metals, Bitcoin's supply is strictly fixed. It entered this sell-off after months of consolidation. What we're seeing is a macro-driven pullback, not an internal failure of the asset. If you're watching this unfold, here are 4 steps to stay grounded. 1. Slow down. Speed is the enemy of good decisions. 2. Reduce leverage. Most damage comes from forced liquidation, not the asset itself. 3. Zoom out. If your horizon is years, not days, volatility is just information. 4. Watch liquidity, not headlines. Ask if the selling is forced or organic. Currently, it appears to be a forced unwind. Expect volatility to stay high as the market digests these new conditions. Bitcoin's long-term structure is intact, but short-term swings are the price of admission. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and consult a professional. If this helped, share it with someone who's panicking. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.